Firstly, we start by warming up some pink clay on our hands. This makes it easier to mold. We want to create a cylindrical shape. To do this, we roll the clay into a ball and then gently roll it out. We then pinch the side whilst rotating the clay to form the cylindrical shape. Once satisfied with the shape, gently place onto the nail and cure. Here we place tinfoil over a nail so that the cake is molded to the shape of the nail. We repeated this process for the second tier of the cake. For the icing, we rolled the clay into a long sausage shape and divide into small pieces. We can then place the pieces on the cake and using the silicone molding tool to drag and push the pieces to mimic an icing style around the perimeter of the cake. You can add any details you like. We added more icing details and cured in between each step. We even added some super delicate swags around the cake, with the same method as before of rolling out the clay but making sure it was super fine and cutting into pieces. For the last step, we wanted to add some realistic glazed stemmed cherries. We wanted to recreate the translucent texture. To do this, we grabbed some SISSI Flubber. This is a clear gel you can mold in your hand. We added super tiny balls at the top of the cake, making sure to space them out evenly. Whilst the cherries were cooking in the UV lamp, we made some stems out of green clay. We rolled the clay super fine and cured before snipping to size. Using glass red gel polish, we painted the cherries for the translucent vibe. We flash cured the stems to the cherry using the gel polish as the glue, before a final cure in the big lamp. We can't believe how cute this miniature vintage cake turned out. You really can make anything out of SISSI clay. It was really fun to make. Let us know in the comments what you think and what other videos you would like to see from us. Thanks for watching.